It's all dangling like me on a Friday morning.
Crickets, crickets.
So, I bought a new car. 2000 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Very nice. Pretty good, pretty good.
Cinematics coming right after this.
Sure. It won't start. That's the recent problem. But right now I'm going to change the turn signal switch because the other one's broken. And, the other one's broken, so I disconnected the battery. Then once I put this back on, I'm going to take the battery off, put my RSX battery in, see if it wants to start, and then we'll go on from there. Yes. So we're now taking the two screws off. Just take this plastic cover off. So then separate this top cover off. So then pull this out and put the new one back in. Yes. A work of art. Oi! Now let's see, this should come off. Got those. Oh, there's another one. So after watching a 5-minute YouTube video, figured out there's two more screws way on the bottom you gotta take out. So we gotta take that out. And then hopefully this comes out. Oh. Hopefully, god damn it. Hopefully this comes off. Ow! There's another one here, but does he take that one out too? Something else? No. Back to the YouTube video we go.
No.
Come on. I mean, we can just leave it like that. And then well, that's interesting. Should be two clips up top, some on the bottom, but I'm not seeing anything. That's this. It says clip on the bottom and clip on the top. Unless if I'm legally blind, I'm not seeing no clip on the bottom and no clip on the top.
Two hours later.
Why doesn't this thing want to come off? So I'm an idiot. That's why it doesn't want to come off. I understand there's another one there. Where was it? Finally!
So guys, the lesson from this is don't forget to screw on the other side.
Yes. Other lesson. Remember how I went back on. There we go. I think this bottom one's good. There we go. There we go. Finally. It's all dangling like me on a Friday morning.
Crickets, crickets.
Why is it so oily?
What does that even mean? Oh, dangly on a Friday morning.
I don't know. But Looks the exact
You're gonna
same.
put that crickets out.
So it looks the exact same. Hopefully it goes in the exact same.
Should.
And then we should double check, see if it works.
We'll have to switch the batteries for that, huh?
Yeah. It's kind of weird how this thing broke like right there. But yeah. So now you put it back in the same way it went on. Should just click right in. Once it's in.
Wait, the sun's in the way. So what'd you do? You just pushed it back in?
You just push back in. And then, yeah. There we go. And now this goes on. So you take out 4 screws, 3 on the bottom, and then 1 next to the wiper switch. Then there's 1 on here. This one I didn't take out. I don't think that one wasn't necessary. But yeah, the other 3, 2 up here, and then 1 here, and then 1 next to the wiper switch for the whole bottom piece to come out, and then the top plastic piece to pop up. Yes, it's pretty simple. Took us what, 2 hours?
No. Took us like less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, less than 20 minutes. Now we put this back on, change the battery, see if the car wants to start, and then I think we're good for today. That's what I'm assuming. There's some clips here. Have to click back on, just a little beating. Little beating, and then she'll go back in.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's it.
Now we put the screws back in. I have no idea if this one's going in or not. So I cannot see.
Quack, 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 quack.
Alright, in front of me. Let me just put these back on. Okay, why are you so close to my face? Oh. Okay. Let me go on the other side.
Huh? Oh. You're gonna what?
Go on the other side.
You're gonna go on the other side?
Yeah.
Why?
Put the other one that's on the side.
Oh
So
man,
that's the
this dude.
This is where the other screw is, but I can't see now where the hole is. Wait a minute.
This dude, not the YouTube video again.
Wish I did this the first time. Oh, yes. Ah, yeah.
So orgasmic.
You're gonna have to hold that. Yeah, hold that down for me. Can I go? All right. Everything's back in place. Brand new. Seems to be working so far. The car's off the. Seems to be working. But then what I just found out, this one is also broken.
It doesn't look broken.
I mean, it probably still works, but just that's not supposed to be doing that. And the thing is apart.
So you're gonna have to do this whole process again some other day.
Yeah. Well, I guess that'll be for another video. We gotta milk out every single thing we can. Well, time to change the battery. You wanna bring my car?
Okay.
Bring my car.
Am I gonna have to reverse it though, or can I go?
But give it gas.
Why does it sound like that?
Sound like what? Because there's an exhaust leak. Because there's an exhaust leak. Clifton first?
First,
Yeah.
break it down. I'm scared. I'm letting go of the clutch. Nothing's happening.
Because it still hasn't engaged yet.
So how do you get it to engage?
When it starts to move.
But that's scary. I hate this. This is the most anxiety. This is the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever had to do in my life is drive a freaking stick car.
No.
Okay, so leave it in one spot.
Even one spot right there. And now slowly. There we go. There we go. Oh, oh,
What's
oh.
happening? Oh no.
Now put it on the grass.
I'm doing
Babe, put the clutch in, clutch in, clutch
Clutch
in,
in?
clutch. Because you were stalling.
No, here's the one out.
Now keep going. Oh, we gotta make it over there. Come on.
Okay, but I'm like scared. Oh no, look at this car. Like, what the hell are they doing? So
There you go. Now you can stop here. Now you can stop here. Clutch in, clutch
Clutch- I'm
in.
clutching,
There
I'm
you go.
clutching.
Now take it out of gear. There you go. Now put the e-brake up.
Yeah!
Ow.
I did it without stalling this time.
There. Now
Okay,
we
that's it.
now
I
we
can let go
yeah.
already?
Now you can turn it off. Okay. Change of plans. You're getting a jumper cable.
Instead of swapping the
Instead of
engines.
swapping the battery. So that made a lot more sense to what I was gonna do. So we go to AutoZone, auto
Advanced parts?
whatever, either one of those. Get a jumper cable. So you driving?
Okay. Not this car.
Oh, you're driving this car.
No. I thought you meant my car.
Oh, I thought it was this car.
No, you driving this car.
Okay, but you're coming with.
Duh. Unless you don't want me to.
Of course it-
Okay.
So we came to AutoZone, bought some jumper cables, 12 feet, so we don't remove the battery and just jump it from there. Then we also bought a wheel cover for the Eclipse. Very shiny. Really gives off that white woman vibe. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Yes. So we got the jumper cables connected. Bow, bow. About to turn the RSX on, and then about to hopefully the Eclipse turns on when we do this whole thing. We'll see. So the RSX is on. Yeah, it's on. Hopefully this works. This should also turn on. Let's see.
Don't forget to put the clutch all the way in. Oh.
If I disconnect it, it shouldn't turn on. Yeah, just let me know if you see the lights working. Well, car's on. I think it needs a new battery. Or something else. But that's where we want it to be. I think that's it for today. Yeah. Alright, see you on the next one.